What's up, guys? Crafted the Phoenix here. Today, we're playing some Slime Rancher. I did play this a little bit. Honestly, I do recommend this. This is incredibly fun. So yeah, let's go sell this. Where's it? Oh yeah, these are my slimes. I don't have names for them yet, but if you have any name ideas, put them down in the comments. Yeah, wait, let me turn down the volume. So yeah, if you have any name ideas, put them down in the comments. This is probably the best thing. Well, not the best thing. But if Bob gives me a quest, he normally requests chickens, and he gives me pretty good stuff. And I can give him these. So yeah, if you have any names for any of these, tell me. Please, I will take anything. Oh, and if you hear any stuff, it's probably my family. Be sure to like and subscribe. Alright, let's so a good strat to earn money if you're trying to earn money, just each day, gather supplies for your slimes, and then you give it to them, and then you do a quest, and then gather the floors, sell them, and then go in here, sleep till morning, and repeat that. But if you don't know how to get out of here, hit return to ranch. Alright, let's see who the quest is going to be for today. Please. Oh man. You normally request slimes. I like you. No, you're not requesting slimes this time. Alright. Here we go. Alright, let's go. This is honestly pretty good. Okay. This game is good. Oh! Yay. Launch. Oh, that's someone just making a smoothie, don't worry. Look how much money I just made. Alright, now you gather up supplies. Yeah, I'll get some of this too. Those guys, one of them only takes vegetables, so I have to feed them veggies. Yeah, looks like this is the only stuff I have. How about we go adventuring? Oh, wait, wrong place. Yeah, there we go. Now let's put these in here. Alright, let's go looking for rare slimes. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I decided to grab something real quick. Now, if any of you know how to feed the chickens, tell me in the comments, please. I need to know how to do that. can find one rare slime. I'll be happy with that. So alright. There should be another danger zone somewhere. Yeah. I don't think I've seen that one. Oh, that's interesting. Alright, what is it? Oh, it'll take anything? Okay. So now we know that that is right there. Oh. So there's a whole nother part of the map, but we need to feed those. Alright. I've been in these. They normally have things that are not really happy. We need to feed them a hen or anything. I normally feed them hens. That's the easiest way. You're hungry. Oh my god, this guy is so hungry. What do I do? Here, eat this small chicken. Oh. Well, he's hopeless. Now, let's go. Alright, so tomorrow's harvest is going to go in the belly of that big thing. We're going to need to collect a lot. So let's go to bed. Okay, we need a lot of stuff. Alright, who's gonna be our quest? Yes! Chicken. Whatever. That's what I want. Yay! What do we got? Ooh, that. Ooh. Okay, let's go feed. Let's go get the harvest first, actually. Ooh, we have maxed out of that. That's really good because now we can feed it a lot. So now let's go stuff this stuff up. Alright, wait, let me grab this stuff off this tree. I have a really stuffed nose. Alright, let's head down here. Please be enough. It's growing. slime key is for. Yeah, I'm confident. Okay. So we're gonna head over here. Yes, it worked. Okay, so I've heard that there's some sort of rare slime in this area. So, whoa! There's one. Let's take it. Come here. Boom slime. I see, that's funny, that's funny. Oh. They have to include good jokes. And it worked. Oh. At least on me. Oh, that's a heartbeat? I didn't know they grow in this area. Veggies. Well, I have some veggies for you. Accept my gift. I don't feel like this is a good idea. Bring me back. No, I wanted that vegetable. Where does it grow? Wait, is this the way we just change them? Oh. Okay. More. The rock slimes. Is this the place where I can find water slime? Because apparently there's a water slime. Nope, just a treasure pod. I wonder what's over here. There's a radioactive. Alright, we need to get over there. But how? That's my question. Boom slime! Wait. Nothing more. I don't want more than 3. Did the boom slime just transform? Oh my god. I don't know, slimes can be stupid. Okay. So it looks like apparently somehow we can get up here. Yes. There's a cave. Right here. I'm wondering where it goes. Oh, you. I'll take you. Get kidnapped. Oh god, the crystal slime looks like they have a deadly ability. Ouch. Yeah, it deals some damage. If you're wondering how I got this, it's an upgrade. But it does cost a lot of energy. Alright, I think I have enough. Yay, I had enough energy. Alright, where are we now? Oh, we're up here. Is this the same cave? Yes, it is. We got these crystal slimes, which I'm pretty happy with. But I need to search further. God, what did that slime transform with? Oh, I see. The crystal slime is like an upgraded version of the spike slime. Oh man. What we need is energy. Get me up! I feel like we need a higher surface. Okay, now over here. This might help us get over here to get over here. Big brain moment. Alright. All I want is a few radioactive slimes. That's all I came here for. Oh my god. Alright. These new veggies. I'll happily let go of these. Radioactive slime, get away. Oh dang it. We're not grown yet. Wait, I got slimes. Yes. Normally is that. Somehow. Is there? No. There's not a, Oh, Alright guys, that's it for this video. Don't worry, next video we'll actually get the slimes and come back. Alright, see ya.
Yes, Nugget Dog.